Hey everyone, and welcome back. I want to talk about different types of effect styles. So I'm in this file over here, and you can test this out pretty easily in any file you're in. Just create a frame. I have a card over here. And what I'm going to do is, effect styles are essentially the same as the color styles, are the same as, typography styles, all that kind of stuff. And what are effects? So if I'm going to just jump in here and press that plus button at the bottom, it's automatically going to put in a drop shadow. You can put in layer blurs if you want to blur something, or background blurs if you have something behind here, or you can put like inner shadows. But generally, a lot of people really use them for drop shadows. So you can change the effect settings over here. So if you want to put like a blur, or increase the blur to like say 10 or maybe 20. And this is like the y-axis. So this means vertically it's going to come down, more, and x is, left or right. You can put negative numbers if you want to go left. Right now it's just set to 0. And then you can set the opacity. So there we go. I have a nice little style. If I increase this frame really quickly, it's easier to look at some of these background blurs when you have, just like a white frame. So I have my background blur here, and so that's kind of pretty similar to what I have. And what I'm going to do is they work the exact same way as any other styles. You have to press plus over there, that little icon, and then the plus, and then you can, name this, light. Say if you have dark styles, you can say 20%, or you can go up and scale, down and scale. It doesn't matter how you name them. But there you go. As soon as I, made that style right here, it shows up. I can go in and I can see that style right there, and I can edit it if I want to pretty easily just by going into the properties over here. So if I have a, my frame over here and I remove that effect, I can go ahead and go into my effects over here, go to my styles, and then apply it. And there you go. That's how you work with effect styles.